Hi, this is Furkan and you are listening to Informative Stall. In today's video, we are going to discuss what is software engineering and an overview of software evolution. Before we are going to start our today's video, give me a favor. If you not subscribe my channel, subscribe it first in order to get my videos in future. Without wasting our time, we are going to start our today's video, which is on what is software engineering. When we talk about software engineering, we have to understand what software engineering stands for. The term is made up of two words, software and engineering. When we talk about software, software is more than just a program code. A program is an executable code which serves some computational purpose. Software is considered to be a collection of executable programming code, associated libraries, and documentations. When software made for a specific requirement, it is known as software product. When we talk about engineering, engineering is all about developing products using well-defined scientific principles and methods. When we take these both terms, software and engineering, on the same place and make an actual definition from both these terms, the definition is software engineering is an engineering branch associated with development of software product using well-defined scientific principles, methods, and procedures. The outcome of software engineering is an efficient and reliable product. When we talk about the definition of software engineering from an international recognized resource, the IEEE defines software engineering as the application of systematic, disciplined, quantifiable approach to the development, operation, and maintenance of software. That is the application of engineering towards software. When we take an overview of software evolution, the process of developing a software product using software engineering principles and methods is referred to as software evolution. This includes the initial development of software and its maintenance and updates till desired software product is developed, which satisfies the expected requirements. This is all about our today's video, which is on what is software engineering and some overview on software evolution. I hope you will understand well. If you have any query, tell me in comment section. This is all for our today's video. Thanks for watching.